Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. Going to share some of the setups that we were watching last few days, as we have shared with you guys, even in the stock tweets and on the Twitter. This one is moving nicely here. Nvda, sorry. We started to follow this one when this stock was testing around 97.50, 98 area. My target was around here 105 area here. Today it's testing 103 here. Nicely uptrend here. If you look at it, there was an uptrend developed nicely here. Also, there was a bull flag here, right here. There's a bull flag. Also on hourly, if you look in hourly chart, I did draw a trend line, hourly uptrend. You see there is an uptrend right here, hourly uptrend. So this has worked out well for us. We are trading it even today. I had a post last few days. I had quite a few posts on it last few days here. So you see this uptrend here and almost like inverse head and shoulder. So you have to look at multiple things, to be successful in trading, and your entries always matters regardless. So we always add options volume, and okay, you see there is this uptrend and nicely broke. Also, you see it broke this downtrend as well. So it's not one thing, it's always you have to combine multiple things to get the best results. So this is how we combine a stocks technicals with options volume to get the best results. I had quite a few posts here. I believe on March 10th, this is on my stock tweets, or even on my Twitter, the trend was developing here, uptrend, and then you saw how this was my Nvda post, and it moved nicely. Since then it's up from here almost like $4, and every pullback got better. So it's holding nicely. It got upgraded as well, so we kept track on that one as well. Let's see if it holds. It can hold this area here. It can easily come around here around 105 zone, so I'm keeping an eye next few days. Gold is doing really good. Gold, if you followed me, you made big money yesterday in F1. See, it's not like we come back and then we claim that we saw something. I will just share it with you here. The big block we saw on gold, gold was just saw this move coming, huge call buy. MGM is flying here today. Look, MGM, I covered it, I believe, back in March 7th. MGM, the whole casino sector is flying. It was at a key moving average. Today, I just want to show you in for a second here. MGM, what happened to this one? This is a random. I'm showing it. Here we were taking a position. It took a. This is where I saw big volume, and then if you have short-term expiration, you got stopped out, and then look how it reverses, because there was big, I saw like 5-6 thousand calls volume, and today look, our last 5 candles, this is one of the strongest sector today. MGM, wine, alls are flying today. All moving average are moving higher and curling higher, so you can see this is a nice volume. I had it, remember, I had it back on 7. Today we are on 16. You see MGM, green tick, 5-minute MGM, key moving average support here. Next I want to show the gold trades. Gold right here. On 7th, we told you 8,000 April calls, 122 calls. This was institutional volume. This is my public post on 122 calls on 7th. This is where they started to accumulate gold. This is where I believe this was here. No, this is 9. This is where they started to buy on 7th. Right here, I believe. So this is where they expected a bounce coming. So although I was watching as it was below here at this 50-day EMA line, so we did not add here. We told our members to watch it because you don't want to add something as 50-day working as resistance. So it got oversold, and then we found Bollinger Band support here. Right here there was another, right before Fed there was a 3000 calls block buy here. We alerted our folks in our room. I had a post in my public post yesterday as well, and today it's up again. So all the gold names are up and flying. So you have to always look at your level here. Even immediately I've told our folks you have to watch it, not add immediately, but someone taking bull bet. So we got double confirmation here for this candle when we saw a 3000 call block here and on a fat day. So you have to combine always everything to get the best results. Another one a lot of people are showing interest is AMD is a bit choppy here. Nice move here. There was lots of calls activity here, multi thousands calls bought here around this zone, and it tested 13 and then came up to this candle here other day. High was 1450, I believe here. So this is has made nice move here, but here is a small, although I don't say it's going to play out, there is a small head and shoulder. If you look and it pulled back, you needed to take profits here. Last 2 days we have been trying to catch this 10-20 day support line and then played the bounce. Even today we have a post that the support of previous days holding. Also you can see it in two ways. There's an inverse head and shoulder as well here, inverse head and shoulder, or cup and handle. So again, if it holds, this will turn out and come up and test this zone here. Option flow remain bullish on AMD, so you want to keep an eye on this. SPY, we did not short this one. We a lot of people went short and everything. We tried it, holds some key moving averages. Also we did not see much put volume on this one, so we kind of, our short-term view remains a bit bullish for this. And bullish means for now it's holding here. As long as it's above 10-day you are bullish, but again a strong resistance zone around 239.50 area. So this has to break out, otherwise we will come back and pull back here and remain sideways. Another one we are watching, WDC. This is flying today. There was 3000 calls volume yesterday. We did not add it here because the calls started to come around here. I believe we had a small bounce, and then I told our folks to try to add it onto this pullback in the chat room. If you're a premium member, you got it. And then nicely it's bouncing here. Probably it can come up here and gets 78 if market holds. Otherwise, it will stay and be a bit choppy here. So keep an eye and trade accordingly. Use options, chart patterns, and everything else so that things go in your favor. Thank you. Please share.